The International Monetary Fund, IMF, signed an agreement with the government of Honduras that means a payout of more than $200 million in the next month.
El aparato estatal no ha tenido la capacidad de recaudar los fondos que necesita el país.
The state structure has not had the capacity to raise the funds the country needs for its normal functions, because there has not been adequate management of the external debt, and because the impacts of the political situation in 2009.
Aunque quiera o no, ha venido repercutiendo la situación política del año 2009.
After the coup of 2009, when the international community closed its doors to Honduras in response to the military attack, the interim government raised its internal debt. The debt is stopping the government from reaching the Millennium Goals.
Besides
the situation that will mean the reducing the size of public companies, it will also mean adjusting the rates, which will also affect consumers.
The agreement will initially give more than $200 million to the Honduran government, but it will also mean the possibility of new debt with international banks. The IMF demands will mean closing down the social aid programs.
We know that they are basically getting rid of the last energy and transport subsidies that make prices more accessible and benefit the poorest citizens, the ones who live in extreme poverty, that is 6 of every 10 Hondurans.
The agreement with the IMF will mean thousands of new unemployed people, higher transport and electricity costs, no possible salary raises in the next 3 years of government, and new debt that in the near future will affect even more the Honduran population. Gerardo Torres, Telesur, Central America.